Metro Labs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Upgrade labs and classrooms before the academic year begins. Smart planning today, smooth academic year tomorrow. Now let's look at why pre-academic infrastructure matters. Every academic year begins with new expectations, new admissions, new inspections, new parents, new academic targets. Smart institutions upgrade before the academic year begins because the infrastructure preparation during vacation period ensures zero classroom disruption, safe reopening, inspection readiness, positive parent impressions. Academic success starts with physical preparedness. Why infrastructure upgrades build confidence? When students walk into school on the first day, they notice, parents notice, teachers notice. Modern labs and organized classrooms communicate. Professional management, safety commitment, academic seriousness, long-term planning. Upgrading before the academic year begins avoids mid-year disruptions, emergency repairs, safety risks, negative inspection remarks. Preparation equals prevention. Let's begin with an important question for every educational institution. Why upgrade labs before academic year? New batch strength adjustments, updated curriculum requirements, safety compliance upgrades, replacing worn-out furniture, installing ventilation improvements. Vacation time is the safest period for renovation. Key areas for lab upgrades: teacher demonstration tables, integrated sink, gas control, storage, visibility, student workstations, grade-specific height, proper spacing, chemical-resistant surfaces, chemical storage cabinets, lockable segregated ventilated units, fume hoods if required. Senior labs using strong chemicals must ensure correct airflow, proper sash function, acid-resistant lining, safe exhaust. Safety infrastructure, fire extinguisher positioning, emergency pathways, eye wash stations, rounded edges. Required parameters as per guidelines. Adequate movement clearance, proper gas and water line integration. Segregated chemical storage, safe ventilation, teacher supervision, visibility, non-porous cleanable surfaces. Inspection bodies look at safety and planning, not just equipment count. One of the most important aspects of school laboratory infrastructure is the material of construction. Powder-coated galvanized steel frames with granite worktop. PP sink units, acid-resistant storage cabinets. Durability ensures 8 to 12 years of reliable use. Next, let's move on to why classrooms should be upgraded before the academic year. New admissions, furniture wear and tear, changing student strength, rebranding initiatives, infrastructure modernization, classroom comfort directly affects academic performance. Important areas to consider for upgrading: student benches and desks. Select based on grade-specific height, ergonomic posture support, proper leg clearance, durable materials, and avoid one-size-fits-all seating. One important aspect of classroom infrastructure is the material of construction. Powder-coated steel frames, high-density pre-laminated boards, anti-rust protection, smooth rounded edges. Long-term durability reduces mid-year replacement. Why vacation period is ideal: no student disturbance, faster installation, safe civil modifications, clean reopening day, strong first impression. Upgrading during session disrupts academics. At Metro Labs, we specialize in pre-academic infrastructure upgrades. We visit your campus, assess current infrastructure, identify safety gaps, design optimized layouts, manufacture modular systems, install professionally during vacation, deliver inspection-ready labs and classrooms. Our modular systems allow future upgrades, reconfiguration, long-term durability. We don't just supply furniture. We prepare institutions for success. Build safe, build smart, build with Metro Labs.